Good evening. Yesterday we have gone through arithmetic operation, compare instruction. We made that example also where we have used arithmetic operation. There is one more example in which arithmetic operation is used. Let us see that. This one. See. In this example, we have to set timer preset value using push buttons and arithmetic operation compare instruction. Let me explain. See. In this example, we are having 4 push buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We are having 2 displays. This one and this one. There is one push button to enter the value. There is a motor Q0. The application is these 2 displays. Here we have to set value of timer. Like how many seconds or minutes the motor has to run. When we press I0 push button, we shall have increment by 1 in this display. When we press I1, we shall have decrement by 1 in this display. The same, when we press I2, we shall have increment by 1 in this display, and from I3 we shall have decrement. There is one more condition for increment and decrement, that when you press this I0 first time 1, second time 2, third time 3, 4, 5 like that, we shall have maximum 9 count. We shall have maximum 9 count. So we shall have here maximum 9 count when you press I0 10th time. Up to 9, press, it is 9, it will display 9. But when you press this 10th time, it should not go beyond 9. So after 9, there should not be increment. The same thing, from I1 you can go to 0, and below 0 it should not go. Okay, same thing here also. So I2 you press 9 times, 9 will be displayed. When you press 10th time, it should not increase. So you should have maximum 9 increment, and decrement will go up to 0, not below 0. Yesterday also we have done this thing. Percentage MW1 we compared with 10, we compared with 0, right? So here we have to compare with 9 and we have to compare with 0 for this display also and for this display also. Now, suppose we press this I0 twice. So first time you press 1, second time you press 2. And let us suppose we press I2 5 times. So 5 will be displayed. So 1 display, 2 display. Let us consider we shall take this percentage MW1 and this we shall take percentage MW2. So we are having 2 and 5, but these two values we have on different location. One we have on percentage MW1, another we have on MW2. Now what shall we do? We shall press enter, that is I4. This is again a push button. So when you press I4, these two values should become 25, should come to one another variable, should be joined. 2 and 5 will be joined and will be 25. If we have here 1 and 0 and you press enter, it should be 10. Got it? So this is separate display, percentage MW1. This is separate location, percentage MW2. And when you press enter, these two values should become, should join and should go to some another variable. So should come together. 2 and 5 or whatever value you have in two displays should come together on new display. Okay. Now the value you got here, calculated value, that value will be sent to the preset value of timer. Preset value of timer. And when you press another push button, that is I5, when you press this motor will run for this duration. What duration you have fixed, for that duration, it should work. What I want, you people, first you make program for percentage MW1 using I0 and I1. Let me tell you, yesterday the same thing you have done for MW1, correct? There it was M1 and M3. Here you have I0 and I1. And use pulse with both. Use positive pulse. So first you make program for I0, I1 percentage MW1 for 9 compare and for 0 compare. Then you make program for MW2. Same way. Then we shall have discussion. First you make program for MW1 and MW2. Before this, if you want to check yesterday's program, please check that. Make this and send in group, please.